Sears hasn't ran down in a few weeks, and I just got it going. There was a lot of gas in the oil. It's running on only the front cylinder right now. The back cylinder is dead. But because I can't get in there to get that spark plug out, I had to pull out one spark plug from that engine there, switch it to the front one, but I'm just getting it hot, and then I got to drain some oil. A little bit extra in it right now, which is probably why it's smoking, but no, now it's on 2 cylinders. It might have cleared itself out. Again, that exhaust got filled up with smoke from it filling up with gasoline, the crankcase, so a little bit of smoke still now, you see, on lower RPM. I think it's only running on 2 cylinders at high RPM. I'm gonna have to get my temperature gun, see if the cylinder is starting to fire yet. I did the old spit test. When I first started it up, it was not running on both of them. But worst case, I got that brand new engine sitting inside. So we'll see if it clears itself up. Well, good news is she's back to normal, cleaned herself out. So basically an oil change and spark plug. But just went and turned the old goat shit pile at the corner there. And a little bit of the hill there that I got from the back trail, pushed it into a nice pile, drove it around the track a few times. But now I gotta clean up, oh, way too zoomed in, gotta clean up this hoard here. That piles of stuff right there. I gotta put this plug back in this guy, because otherwise, of course, it's going to be shot leaving a plug out of it. And start moving stuff and pulling out trees. Fun, fun, fun. If you wreck it, you wreck it. We'll see what happens. We already removed 2 of them. They're just stacked up there, a few of them. This is going to be a big one. I don't know if this loader will do it. I know I can pull them out with my quad with the tire, just pull it backwards, but I prefer just to try the loader. So as you guys can see, she's running good now. Take it out of gear. I just got him instructed to wrap the strap around as tight as he can along the bottom and then pull on it. It's a pretty big strap, so. Okay, Logan, that's probably fine, maybe. Oh man, that sun's bright in the eyes. You guys see that? Oh, that hurts. And no, I'm not wearing a hat or anything. Okay, pull on it good tight now. Well, slowly coming out, but that's hitting the end. I'll have to give it some more gas. Give it some more pulling force like that. Oh. I'm lifting the back wheels off the loader. Woo, a little tippy here, eh? Literally the back wheels are not touching on the ground no more. Now I'll go a little bit more. I am literally hovering the back wheels off the ground. Yeah, okay. Watch out, I'm going to have to rev it in reverse and hit it. Don't hold the rope. Nope. Let's try it now. Not going to come out. Well, It's now, I don't know, 8 o'clock at night, and it's getting pretty open. It's getting pretty open. So, loader worked to pull out a few trees, but to be honest, not the way I like it to. I can't pull back, it just doesn't get grip. I'd rather have something 4-wheel drive. So, I'm going to use the quad here, and just got to fuel it up, because of course, after a quad ride, we left it pretty empty. And then go from there. But the loader has been running awesome again. Now, I wonder if I could prop this up somewhere and see if that guy's going to go. Hasn't ran in 3 years. You guys see it? Who knows? Being a diesel, if I try it proper, it should technically start up first pull. It's on. Okay, so set this roughly. Oh shit, that seized. Throttle pin looks like it's moving, so down to right about there. Gas is on. Give it one prime with the. This doesn't count as pull. This one will. Okay. Oh, without a shit flying on the roof. All the sand flying out of it. And I think probably we'll do a better plate compactor than the frickin' Chinese plate compactor I bought running diesel run. Can't believe that thing still started up that easy. Yep, that's a goodie. Man, I love these diesels. 3/4 inch shaft, it'll fit on almost anything. This is the one I ran on the pressure washer for a while. It was brand new otherwise. A little faded from sitting out here. I mean, that sun fade, that just happened from sitting outside at my yard. I don't even think it was like that when I brought it here. Don't like it sucking up sand, but give it a couple revs. Bite stall there. Yeah, kind of figured it would. I had that turned down pretty low. But that's a good engine, and I'm thinking of putting that on that old trike there. Not too sure yet. So another update. This lawnmower here, as you can see by the oil everywhere, it blew the oil cap off again. Again, there's like 0 threads in there. It pops right off. I noticed the air box needs to be fixed. Doesn't stay shut. But it wasn't wet last time. I actually had to loosen the valves off because it actually had very low compression. But now it's fine. So it's a little ticky now because I loosened them up a fair bit. But now it has great compression. Way more compression than she ever had before. And a lot more power too. Oh, wait. Oh, there you go. Wow, that's huge. Probably thought you were food. So I just started this thing back up. A huge cloud of smoke, and then I seen a birdie. So yeah, I've been shit kicking it, no doubt. Hitting stumps, rocks, everything in sight. Just actually mowed the entire garden today, but yeah, well, she still started up first pull. Let's see if it's going to do it again. Oh, a lot of compression now. Bad, right in your face, eh? Leave it idle for a while there. You can see it's a little bit ticky right now. Just making sure I'm not going to hit anything. You know, metal chunks I'm still kind of worried about hitting, so. Oh, and big rocks, because, you know, I already blew a hole in the deck once. Ooh, that one there can be painted. Always collect good rocks, but bye-bye. This is where we used to throw all the sticks too, and now we're cleaning them all out to do this. Fun, fun, fun. And I love the fact that you can shut off the blade on this thing. Makes it so much better. still there? I don't see it. Yeah. I thought for a second I ran over the air filter cover, but it's right there. Almost ran it over. Man, it's actually running pretty good. Cutting down almost everything I wanted to. But I better put that cover back on even though it's still going through there. Good enough.